Hello everyone, I have my Ipsy Glam Bag for September here. Up. And this is what it looks like. Nothing outside the bag this time. There's a really strong odor coming from this. It's pleasant, but I'm not sure if something leaked. The bag feels kind of weird, but I'm not sure if that's just because the bag, just the material it is. But anyways, let's get into this. Then has the little thing and the September 2020 theme is good vibes. And holy crap, it has the information on here. I so was not expecting that. Wow. Anyways, the first thing I'm pulling out is this Generation Clay Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. And this says it's a deluxe sample. The MSRP of the full-size version of the product is $29.99. And it says, bursting with good-for-you ingredients like a Tuxedo plum, vitamin A, and vitamin E, this mask is the ultimate recipe for skin that glows. It helps stimulate collagen, reduce hyperpigmentation, deep clean pores, smooth redness, and protect your skin from harsh environmental aggressors. Next thing I'm pulling out is from Sundays, and it's nail polish in number 18, which is cool. I don't think I've gotten a nail polish from them before yet, and it's a very pretty color that I'll definitely use if I'm not lazy and actually do my nails. And the MSRP for that is $18, and it's the full size. And it says, meet the healthy polish you've been looking for. Sunday's nail polishes are all vegan, tin-free, non-toxic, and devoid of any and all harsh chemicals. But that doesn't mean they sacrifice payoff and wear. This deep berry shade delivers strength, shine, and a long-lasting color. Next thing I'm pulling out is from Tarte. It's the Big Ego Mascara. And this is, of course, a deluxe sample. And the full size is $23. And it says, fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. We're here for it. This mascara coats lashes in ultra black pigments and gives them dramatic lift, length, and volume. And it even doubles as a conditioning lash treatment, thanks to nourishing and moisturizing panthenol and basu. Next, I am pulling out this Georgette Klinger Volcanic Mineral Scrub. I don't know if I said that right, but that's what it says. And this is a deluxe sample, and the full size is $30. Well, I guess I could have been telling you how much is in here and how much the full size is. This is 15 milliliters, and the full size is 125 milliliters, and is $30. And it says, we found it, a non-abrasive scrub that majorly smooths and softens without irritating your skin. It uses teeny tiny bits of volcanic minerals to help resurface your complexion by gently slowing away dulling dead skin cells and pore clogging buildup. And I'll tell you what. Oh, well, this isn't very helpful. It doesn't give me the... This says it's 15 mLs or 0.51 fluid ounces. And they say the full size is 60 grams at $29.99. So, yeah. And the mascara is 2 ml. And the full size of the Tarte mascara is 7ml at $23. Now the last thing I'm pulling out is what I picked, because nothing else really called to me, and I can just use this as eyeshadow or give it away, I don't know. But it's the Pacifica Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronze, and this is deluxe sample, and the full-size version of the product is 14 grams and is $18. And it says, want to blush up and glow with a single product? This buildable blush and bronzer duo has got you covered. The bronzer has a matte finish, which makes it great for a glowing sand shine, especially if your skin's on the oily side. The blush will leave you with a natural-looking rosy glow. And I was holding that upside down. And this is 8 grams. So a tiny bit more than half. It's being ripped. I don't care. There we go. And this is what it looks like. Very pretty. These are the colors. And then, again, here's the bag. Okay, I don't know what the smell is. It's like pleasant, but it's strong, and I don't know where it would have come from. Like, and I can't tell if it's been damp or not, or I don't know. But anyways, what I got again was the Pacifica Blush and Bronzer Duo, the Volcanic Mineral Scrub, the Generation Clay Purifying Pink Clay Mask, the Big Ego Mascara from Tarte, and the Sundays number 18 nail polish. And that's all I have for you guys. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.